Alo, uy, blue. Anong blue man? Magbuot. Uy, magbuot. Kay magpa-iba na alawi tayo, no? I think fits with my earrings. Bam! This is blue-green. In the camera, it looks like light blue. No, like you are in the body of water in the ocean. So that's what it looks like, actually, or like the color looks like. So this is Panggor panty, but sexy. If you are like conservative type, this could be it. Low rise. You have a flat stomach in there, or abs. This is very pretty. The material is like that, lace. Everything is lace. Yes. So the next item, we are going to be Ivana Alawi, no? So we can be more attractive and super sexy. Sexy na lang. This is it, guys. Tcharan! Ay, makinatang dito. Magkanagig ko. Alo, uy, blue. Anong blue man? Magbuot. Uy, magbuot. Kay magpa-iba na alawi tayo, no? Ivana! Yan, oh, nindot siya. Look at that. Imagine all the people. Maka-imagine ka og himaya. Let's look at the details. Enough of the bluffing. Look at that, guys. See? It's very intricate. Look at how the texture of the material is. Bam! Lubot para sa almoranas. Bam! O, diba? Tak! Di ka may Ivana Alawi ani. Sharo na gud ni, no? Di ka malingian. Kung ikaw ay single, ay, nga nung gutang di ka malingian ani, no? You have to show it. Flaunt it, no? Don't keep it. Show it. Right? Yes. To be more sellable. Kita sa lubot siguro ani. Almoranas pa more. Super baw kay ko ani, oh. Diba? Nice good siya, guys. And super affordable. Very cheap. Cheaper than in store. Mag-Shopee ka na. I got this online. Shopee online. Very affordable and very sexy. I got this. I think you remember on my other video. Yes. It's the same like type of panty, see-through, and you can really see your bottom of this thing. It's very like comfortable, so I like it. So I bought another one because I feel like that it does suit me very well. Okay, so this is it, see-through, blue on this time, and the detail of this. See, like a tiny little bow here on the side, lace here. Actually, it's see-through. Very nice, guys, and very affordable. And you can buy this in set. You can save a lot of money if you do that. Buy this in bundle, so the price could lower down. It is very nice, silk material, comfortable to the skin. It's not hot, and it's very like cold to the touch, so you will really like it if you are living in a hot, humid area. This is it, especially like, you know, sleeping at night. This would be so nice, and also very attractive. For the kapikas, di ba? Para di ka mabiyaan, no? It's really nice, guys. I do like it. Nice ang color, turquoise. Nasa, mali naman ang outfit ko. Nasa na ibang outfit. Uy, wow. It's a beautiful pant. I think I saw this with one of my friends' panty haul. Yeah, it's a very sexy lingerie, guys. What is this? Of course, it's a thong, no? Tanga, of course. Oh, wow, I do like the details in this one. Look at that. No? You can see? It's very beautiful. Okay, up. And right. Okay, next one. Okay, back. Back side. Damn. Diba ang ganda? They're really, really, really nice. So it's very pretty, sexy. Yes, Ivana looking. I definitely yes. Only lang the problem is they got some, you know, threadings like loose threads here. Of course, less than $1. Oh, so look at the details. Very nice, flowery siya. Yan. Ang ganda, no? Ang ganda-ganda niya. Right. Nice. Perfect. Perfect na perfect ito siya. You know?